Oh, hello. I wasn't recording, so I have to say all this over again. Okay, this is my 2007 Suzuki Boulevard C50T. The 50 stands for cubic inch. It's an 803 cc cubic centimeters. I don't think I showed you this bike lock. It doesn't work, not on my bike anyway. I got it from Facebook. I've noticed a lot of stuff I get from Facebook doesn't work. So, but anyway, that's neither here nor there. We have the S100. It's a great cleaner polisher. Harley Davidson sells it. Always wear a good pair of shades or goggles. Keep debris and specks out of your eyeballs. And most riders have a good pair of riding gloves. They're fingerless, and you're able to use your cell phone and everything like that, and still have the pleasure of a bike. These are my riding bags my good buddy gave me. These are really nice. Holds a lot of storage, and they're easy to open. By just snapping, you can put your jacket, hat, maybe even your helmet in there. Up front, we have the brown tube waterproof jug. You put ice in there, keep your cold drinks in there. And these are my neon running lights my buddy installed. They were working fine, but somehow they hit the ground. I got a new set ordered. That's even better than this set. But they were glowing fine and working great. So this is a standard issue bike. They haven't changed too much over the years. You have your front brake. Got a little rust there around the spokes, but it stops and brakes fine. The thing I like about the Boulevard is that it's liquid cooled, which you can see here, and has shaft drive, 5-speed transmission, and a nice set of running lights, and it's a good value. Suzuki holds this value. I may have shown you this before. This is a combination cell phone holder and charger. I need to do a better job of routing the wire. Also have a set of plugs down here. You can charge your phone down here. That came with the bike. So I have two ways of charging my cell phone up. Both work great. Okay, pausing here. Coming back later. We got about 4 minutes. We'll try to keep it under 5 minutes.